Press the bell icon and never miss any update from What's Up Bollywood. Hello everyone, welcome to What's Up Bollywood. The celebrity of showbiz live two lives. One, what they play on the big screen, and another, what they are in real life. Unfortunately, people get to know all about them. Whether they are happy, sad or broke, everything a celebrity does become known to the public, whether they want it to be public or not. Affairs, controversies, fights and more. There are scandals everywhere. So in this video, let me tell you about the actresses who handled their bad phases like a rock star and emerged stronger from their struggle. Shehnaaz Gill. Shehnaaz Gill is still grieving the demise of late actor Siddharth Shukla. The Bigg Boss 13 winner passed away after suffering a fatal heart attack on 2nd September 2021. Shehnaaz was distraught and devastated. The actress's Punjabi film Hausla Rakh was released recently. The actress began promotions for the same days before the release, and her eyes and state were concerning. However, Shehnaaz is doing her best to overcome the same. Samantha Ruth Prabhu. The Family Man Season 2 actresses announced her separation from Naga Chaitanya a couple of days ago. For months, speculations were floating about the same. After announcing the divorce, a lot was said about Samantha after the split announcement. However, Samantha has been hitting every rumor, allegations that were thrown at her out of the park like a boss lady. Nayanthara. Back when Nayanthara was linked with the still married Prabhudeva, the Netrikan actress was slammed by the people. Prabhudeva's then wife had also slammed her. It was a terrible ordeal for the Annathi actress, so much so that she felt she couldn't step out of her house ever. Nayanthara is now happily engaged to Vignesh Shivan. Deepika Padukone. A breakup with Bollywood hung Ranbir Kapoor, and depression after that. Deepika Padukone has been vocal about the most difficult phase of her life. The Pathaan actress has emerged stronger with her fighting spirit. Kangana Ranaut. The Thalaivi actor has always been vocal about her struggles in relationship. She had once revealed about she was dragged into the world of drugs. However, she battled it all and kicked the habit. She is one of the most successful actresses in the Hindi film industry. Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka Chopra also faced some terrible times in Bollywood due to her link-ups, so much so that she was almost being banned from movies. However, Priyanka overcame all and made it on her own. She is one of the global icons who is also impressing everyone in Hollywood. Rekha. Years ago, when veteran actress Rekha's husband, Mukesh, committed suicide, she faced the worst situations. She was written off in the media, and even some industry folks refrained from working with her. Rekha also faced criticisms when she was linked to superstar Amitabh Bachchan. Well, so this was the list of Bollywood actresses who emerged stronger after their personal tragedies. What do you think about it? Let us know in the comments below. And for more such updates, keep watching What's Up Bollywood.